What is up, everybody? Happy New Year. All right, it's been a minute. So, I'm in the cave, better known as our garage. It was all the Plumerias put away for the winter. Again, it's January, and I saw something in here, and I thought that'd be a good little quick video to make. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, this is what I want to show everybody. So, even though everything's dormant, we still got one trying to throw out some blooms here. Not trying, it is throwing out blooms. Interesting though, what looks like a white and yellow, this is not a white and yellow. This is a Jungle Jack Super Round. So if anybody's familiar with Jungle Jack Super Rounds, you know what color they're supposed to be. If you're not, I will have a picture at the end of the video. Probably the thumbnail of the video will also be the picture of what it's supposed to look like, what it normally looks, this same plant that we have. The reason I want to do this is the main reason was to show that this is what happens with A, the lack of sunlight, but B, also heat. When things cool off, your blooms tend to change colors. When you get real hot, you'll see difference in the colors. So sometimes you'll get, even like really hot, you'll see what we call like a color splash, or it almost gets, I don't know, it's hard to explain without showing a picture of it, but it's almost like something being like acid wash. It gets a lot of different little splashes of color in it. When it gets really hot, they can change. But also, more so just to show people that, you know, when you have a plumeria that's in low sunlight area, or it's just shaded a lot of the times, you're going to lose color a lot of times. But also, obviously, you just may not bloom. But the main thing I want to show is just what can happen with the lack of warmth and the lack of sunlight. So again, a lot of people will say, well, that's just because there's no sun. No, you will see a difference in color also because of heat. So those are two things you're going to see differences. This is the main thing. What I wanted to show people is just, again, what happens even though we're in the garage and I didn't expect anything to be blooming. This is what happens when you lose sunlight, and you also are losing the heat because it's cool. You know, we're 55, we've been a lot lower, and that's it. So again, this is just what I want to show. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got a little thing out of it. It's just a quick little tidbit. Until next time, y'all have a great day.